it'll make your process more streamlined, better, and the actual decision of interviewing and hiring is still yours.
All right, so let me just
upload their resume. So let's look into his profile. This is very good. Very good that he noted that his resume is missing something that's very relevant for this job post. We hired Bruno a couple weeks ago. He's very good so far. So I'm very happy to see that he has a very high score and the agent is suggesting him as a good fit. I really like this screening agent, not for picking the right candidate, but for saying no to the ones at the bottom. So you have a couple hundred candidates, that's a lot. I'll be able to look at the top 30%, maybe 40%. I mean, I'm not a hiring manager, right? So I'm like 50 down the line, and then you get tired, and then you might miss the next one who might be a good one. So it won't do the job for you. It'll just make your time more efficient.